Ball game.
Bila ka nagagano?
Sayaw.
Uy! Nakikita mo ko, bibilas ka na sa akin. Kumusta anong ang pan? May award ka daw ah. Sa may asapan. Ano ka?
Defensive player.
Ha?
Defensive player.
Aywa. Congrats, congrats. Okay na yun, natangpuan natin.
Hindi, quarter final siya.
Hindi, okay. Sa kuwan yan. Ang pagbuhat yan sa atin, di ba? Sa inyo lang pagkuhan. Pagkuhan siya. Pero nakalaro siya. Pag-game mo, no? Usap-usap lahat. Kasi daw, yung tayo, wala din kayo.
Wala naman nakarating kasi sa amin.
Sinabi ko sa inyo doon.
Hindi, wala naman nakarating. Ngayon lang namin nalaman.
Okay, wala din marunong. Tako, tako.
First position of LPU. Agurayan. Wesley Alcala. Still, Machantango. Now the Mighty Mouse. The Mighty Mouse drive too strong.
Hawak.
Now St. Joseph.
Hawak mo na, hawak.
To Bilarde. Agurayan.
Spring.
St. Joseph. Too strong. Rebound on Chantengo. To Isia again. Isia say foul. Oh, foul. Foul on number 24 on the veteran Pagulayan. First on the veteran. First team foul LPU.
Shoot.
Two free throw shots coming given by Isia. First shot, first basket of San Beda, Isia, 1-0. This is our quarter-final match, second game, do or die game. LPU, San Beda foul. Foul on number 3 on the rest. First on the rest, first team foul, San Beda. Pagurayan, 14 to shoot. Air ball. Rebound on Balawat. To the Reyes. Silva Alcala. Alcala drive. Alcala Bilarde fake. Bilarde steal again. Alcala fake. Alcala short. Isia. Nice move. Side step. Pass outside. Balabal fake. Balabal foul. Foul on Bilarde. Second team foul on LPU. First against Bilarde. It's 8 minutes and 24 seconds. 2-0. Now the veteran, Pagurayan, looking for St. Joseph. St. Joseph, bump, bang, bang, bang. Oh, St. Joseph. It's 3-2. 1 point lead on LPU.
Ignacio, spring.
Pagurayan to Alcala. Back to Pagurayan. Fake, drive, sapa, Pagurayan to a jumper, too strong, Pagurayan again. Rebound on Alcala. St. Joseph, too strong. Alcala again, Alcala, side step, Alcala, too down, rebound by Reyes. Ramos now, looking for Isia. Isia, stop, pump, fake, side step, One corner, bang! On Asia. 4-3. 1 point lead again by San Beda. Magurayan, the veteran, na Alcala, side step, pass to Bilarde. Steal, oh! Wala kisang nabigay, 5-4. Back to 1 point lead on LPU. Isia. Drive. Too strong. Pagurayan. St. Joseph. Yes, and St. Joseph. 7-4.
Hoy, kamay!
Dito pa kami.
14 to shoot.
Baba! Laki naman nun! Laki! Taas!
Nawal ka lang. Real St. Joseph again. Bang! 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 Time out! On San Beda, it's 10-4.
Wala na.
Only 6-point lead by LPU. 10 against 4. It's our quarter-final match, quarter-final game. Yo! Malawang! 6-10. 4-point lead now on LPU. 6 minutes. Magurayan. Kali by Isia. Too strong. Rebound by Isia. Isia now. Goal to goal. Toss to goal. Toss back. Intercepted. Rebound by Balabag. Balabag to Chantenko. Chantenko is Steven Bilarde. Bilarde. Harassed by Zu Alcala. Alcala side pass. On his back. Whoa! St. Joseph. 12-6. Now Isia. Bang! 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 On the Mighty Mouse. Isia. 9-12. Back to 3-point lead on LPU. Alcala. 1-1 by Ramos. Alcala. To Bilarde. Bilarde. Play. Bilarde drive. Bilarde short. Rebound on Chantenko. Chantenko to Isia. Isia drive. Isia is steal by the veteran. The veteran now. It's 2-1. Veteran goes to goal. Foul. Basket count and one by the veteran. Foul on number 26 on Ramos. First on Ramos. Second team foul. San Beda. It's 5 minutes. On our first quarter, 5 minutes. Balabag to Chantenko. Still again by Bilarde. Magurayan. Foul.
Nice.
Foul on number 11 on Chantenko. Third team foul on San Beda. 4 minutes and 42. Now Pagurayan. Guarded by Isia.
Sige!
Oh! Offensive foul on the veteran Pagurayan. Now 13 foul on LPU. Second personal foul on the veteran Pagurayan. Now Isia. Ramos. Pass to the outside to Balabag. Nice pass. Chantenko! 11-14. 3-point lead on LPU. St. Joseph. Nice move. Big. Side step. St. Joseph dive. Foul. Foul on number 3 on De Los Reyes. Warning for penalty on San Beda. Second on De Los Reyes. It's 3 minutes and 52 seconds. First quarter, first game, second game, Alcala. 10 to shoot, 10.
Joseph, wala ka!
5. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, the veteran, Pagurayan. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, De Los Reyes, 14 to 17.
Sayang yun. Nabawi na.
Back to 3-point lead on LPU.
Papa.
Now St. Joseph.
Galben!
Bang! 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 On St. Joseph. 20 to 14. Back to back tres. Short.
Laki dyan, lalaki. Pahinga.
Now Alcala. Whoa! Turnover on LPU. 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Only 6-point lead on LPU. Quarterfinal match, quarterfinal game, do or die game. It's LPU San Beda.
Time out kami ah.
Air ball.
Oh, laki!
Whoa! Pagurayan. 22 to 14, 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Harap kayo, harap.
Pensa!
Bang! 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 On the yellow stripes, time out! On LPU. This is our quarter-final match, quarter-final game. It's a do or die game. LPU San Beda. Alcala. One minute and 50 seconds. Now Chantenko, Isia.
Skibidi!
Short. Balabag. Bilarde. De los Reyes. 14 to shoot.
Skibidi!
Short again. Top. Isia. To De los Reyes. Short. Bilarde again. Rebound. 1 minute and 30. Bilarde. In and out. Agurayan. Short. Yes, on the veteran, Pagurayan, 24 against 17. Oh, basket down and one on Balabag. Foul on Alcala. Warning for penalty on LPU. First against Alcala. 1 minute and 5 seconds. It's 24-19.
Skibidi! Skibidi 1 star.
1 minute.
Pahinga.
55 seconds. 14 shoot. 10. Bang! 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 Goal! St. Joseph. 40 seconds. Whoa! Chantenko. 35 seconds. 30. 10 to shoot.
Nice one. Tira.
Steal by Chantenko. Isia. 10 seconds. Five.
Tira na rin.
And all for it's San Beda ball, San Beda.
Pre, pwede ka. Pwesto.
Kaya takin natin shirt sa takin para maganda tingnan.
Ayan, yan. Masumulan ha.
Ball game. Now gamay. Rebound by Jerry. Foul. Foul on Kaligunan. First on Kalikunan. First team foul, San Beda. Iba ni Jerry.
And then,
To Atena.
Wala, babae isa! Nice one! Set!
40 to shoot. Atena again.
Cut!
Estrada. Yes on Estrada.
Okay lang, ganun lang. Hey! Angat tayo dyan kabila ha! May tuwid tira. Ayan, tumanda sa kabila. Oh!
Medina. Gamay. Kalikunan. Whoa! What a shot from Kalikunan. It's only 4-point lead on LPU. 29 to 25.
Ikot!
40 to shoot. Estrada. Gamay. To Mateo.
hotdog.
Yes on Mateo. 29 to 27. 2-point lead now against LPU. Nice defense on San Beda. Now Gamay.
Tumayo na si Mandy.
Mateo. Too strong. Rebound on Estrada.
Oh! Suporta lang! Huwag na bumaba! Suporta!
Now Jerry. Atena. Too strong. Estrada. Nice defense. San Beda ball. San Beda. 7 minutes and 37 seconds. Now Gamay. Kalikunan. State. Pass to Mateo. 40 to shoot.
Wala na!
Medina. 10 to shoot.
Shoot! Ah!
Kalikunan.
Box out! Matulaw! Nice one!
Yes on Ignacio.
Sir, gawin lang niya mo doon. Mapasok ka lang.
Oh!
31 to 27.
Ano kayo harap? Ayan! Tumanda!
Gamay. McRae. Foul. Foul on Sumbile. First on Sumbile. First team foul. LPU.
Harap! Madali sa sa kabila!
McRae.
Box!
Short. Rebound by Ignacio.
Madali! Jerry! Bola!
31 to 27. It's only 4-point lead on LPU.
Resto kayo! Yan!
Foul on number 22 on Medina. Second team foul on San Beda. First against Medina.
Lalim!
Now Atena. Jerry. Ignacio. Rebound ng Gamay. To Atena. Mateo! Coming from Medina. Now 29 to 31. 2-point lead only is LPU. Jerry. Nice defense on San Beda. It's 5 minutes and 25 seconds. 29 to 31. Now Medina. Kalikunan. Short. 10 to shoot. 10.
Wala na! Tama!
Oh, Gamay. Gamay now. It's 4-3. Pas Kalikunan. No! Time out. LPU. Too strong. Kalikunan. Whoa! McRae! 34 to 31, 3-point lead on San Beda. Now Estrada. Wow, back-to-back turnover on LPU. It's 4 minutes. It's a 5-0 run on San Beda. Now Medina. Right, bam. Foul on number 3 on Ignacio. Second team foul on LPU. First on Ignacio.
Oh, shooting! Wala na papasahan!
Nakakalikunan, Medina. 10 to shoot. Mateo. Kalikunan. Back to Mateo. 5 seconds. Shoot. Too strong. Tap by Sumbel again. Oh! Kamay to Mateo. Right? Steal again. Oh, Atena to Estrada. Estrada, 1-on-1. Estrada drive. Estrada! 33 to 34. 1 point lead San Beda. 3 minutes and 15.
Nice one!
Whoa! Medina!
Drive! Drive! Pasok mo sa loob!
Uli!
14 to shoot. 14.
Lapit!
10.
Oh!
1 seconds!
5. Ah.
Nice ball! Nice ball! Wala!
And sportsmanlike foul on Jerry.
Relax.
It's 2 minutes and 37 seconds. 36. 37 against 33.
Wala tayo yan. Wala tayo yan, sir.
Now 38 to 33, 5-point lead on San Beda. It's 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Now Medina. Mateo to Medina. Medina again. Pass to Gamay. 10 to shoot, 10.
Hoy, yung harap ha.
Whoa! Medina! Yes! Medina now 14 to 33. Stepping on the line. Stepping on 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Dalawang Gatorade!
Magkasatik sila gilabay, mura na kapay full ba?
It's 7-point lead now on San Beda.
Depensa! Okay!
Now Medina again. Guard by Atena. Gamay. Mateo. Short. 40 to shoot. 14. It's 1 minute and 47 seconds.
Habol kayo, habol! Sa tira! Eh, nahuli!
Medina. Rebound by Estrada.
Uli!
Atena ngayon. Whoa! Back-to-back turnover again on LPU. 1 minute and 25 seconds. 40 against to 33. Now Mateo.
Medina!
Medina. 40 to shoot. Steal by Estrada. Estrada, 1-on-1. Estrada, side step. Estrada, block! Whoa! Estrada! 30 to 40. 30 to 40. Foul. Foul on Ignacio. 13 foul LPU. Second personal foul on Ignacio. 54 seconds. 54.
Bravo, bata!
14 to shoot.
Alam ko, yun na!
Uli!
Sige, ito na mo! Sige!
34 seconds, 34. Medina. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Goal, Medina! Kamay. 6 seconds, 6.
Sige, tama na pare. Wala na, okay na.
4 seconds, 4.
Relax na.
Laro lang.
4 seconds.
Tira!
And now for second quarters. This is our quarter final match, do or die game. On our NCAA. Bypass Pulista. Chad Lloyd. Pag-Ryan. Kate. Skate. Short. Ryan again. 10 to shoot. St. Joseph. Fair ball. Rebound on Chantenko. Now Medina. Too strong. Rebound on Alcala. Whoa! Alcala! 37 to 43. 6-point lead now on San Beda. Short.
Baba!
9 minutes.
Set, open, set!
Alcala. Bilarde. 10 to shoot. Too strong. Medina rebound. Steal by Alcala. Whoa! Bilarde. 39 to 43. It's a 4-0 run coming from LPU. Chantenko. Nice move. Troubling Venetian. Troubling.
Okay, ano? Hawak lahat kasi. Ito, oh.
14 to shoot.
Usog rep.
10. Steal by Medina. Medina. To stop. Oh, Balamang. Oh, Balamang. Now 45 to 39. Napagulayan. Yes, on the veteran, Pagulayan. Oh, Alcala. 45-43. Mateo. Medina. Bang on Medina. 47 to 43. Back to 4-point lead on San Beda. 6 minutes. Bilarde. 10 to shoot. 10. 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Substitution left, sub. Sub rep, sub. Now Chantenko. Mateo. Bang! On Mateo!
Nawawala ko! Ito!
It's 52-43 now. 7-point lead on San Beda. Steal! Edison, make! Whoa! 52-43! It's 9-point lead now, San Beda. Now, Algara. Short. Down. Pagulayan again, pay. Short again. The veteran, Pagulayan. Still by Mateo. Mateo to Malabog. Time out on LPU.
Prox, na ilalim kayo, dalawa. Bakit sumilabas, Prox?
It's 4 minutes and 43 seconds. 14, sir, 14.
Bukas po, may daro.
Paras din.
Pick, John! Baliktad!
10 to shoot. Whoa! The veteran. Pagulayan.
Tulang tayo.
Mateo. Foul.
Wesley! 1-2 tayo. Bro, 1-2 tayo. Loy, sige.
Foul on 3. Dilos Reyes, third personal foul on Dilos Reyes. First on Cepeda.
Lloyd, pick! Yan. Wesley, baba! Nice.
4 minutes.
Kaya yan, bro. Kaya yan. Nice. Nice one.
Foul on number 1, Malabag, second team foul on Cepeda. Substitution left, sub.
Third pa. Kailan makababala?
It's 9 minutes, it's 3 minutes and 57 seconds. 54 against the 45.
Nice.
Short. Foul on Gamay. 13 foul on Cepeda. First personal foul on number 2 Gamay.
Sub.
Basket shot tayo, basket substitution.
Nice!
Yes, on Estrada. 54-47, back to 7-point lead on San Beda.
Counted!
Nice one, soccer ball.
24 seconds at clock, 24. This game is brought to you by Chooks to Go. Oh! Dilustres! Bang! This 3-point shot is brought to you by Charlie! McDonald's and Chooks to Go. Yes, John Lloyd. 49 to 57, 2 minutes and 59 seconds. This 2-point shot is brought to you by Manila Bulletin.
Oo nga. Wala pa, third quarter pa lang.
Sub rep, sub.
Time out. Sige na po na. Malapit na.
Sub, sinusunod, sub! Sub, rep, sub!
7.
Jenson, out. Henson.
Tawagan lang yung pangalan. Angkol lagi dilit Jenson.
Oh, still by Medina. Dilis Reyes. Too strong. Now Medina. Back to Isia. Short, too strong. Rebound ng Alcala. It's 3-1. Medina to Alabang. 59 to 49. 2 minutes.
Isa! Nice D!
Pagurayan. Rebound ng Malabang. It's 1 minute and 50 seconds. Our quarter-final game, quarter-final match, San Beda against LPU. 14 to shoot. Too strong. Gamay. Oh, gamay. 6-1 against 249. 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Badi!
Pagurayan. Move. Take. Foul. Foul on number 22 on Medina. Warning for penalty on Salveda. First, second personal foul on number 22 on Medina. 50 to 61.
Substitution!
Basket substitution direct, basket sub.
Hawak lang!
Now Gamay to Isia. Medina. Isia. 3-second violation. Substitution rep, sub rep.
Substitution!
Bula!
Wala, ball kami!
Tao, kuha isa! Kuha isa!
Jerry. Pagurayan.
Badi!
Can to shoot. Steal again by Medina. Malabang, coast to coast, Malabang! 63 against 50. 40 seconds.
Tao!
Lidyo!
Huli!
Ay, dong! Good!
Useless. Malabang again, may selfish pa. Basket on Isia. Foul number 24 on the veteran Pagurayan. Third personal foul on the veteran Pagurayan. Second team foul LPU in 65-50. 15-point lead on San Beda. Basket rep.
No basket!
66 to 50. Yes, on Jerry. 20 seconds.
Lasat!
Shot!
Lasat!
10 seconds. And now for third quarter score. Ball game rep. San Beda, third LPU. Fourth quarter, San Beda.
Kabila! Strada!
San Beda ball, San Beda.
Tao, tao, guys! Tao, tao! Tao! Bukas sa ibabaw! Sa ibabaw ka! Bye! Dito na, kuya! Laro na!
Chanteco, going by Jerry. Kalibunan. 14 to shoot.
Good.
Ako lang, ako lang!
Okay. Okay, Kadong.
It's 9 minutes and 38 seconds. Jerry. To Jabloy. Shane Joseph. Short.
Left.
10 to shoot. Yes. Zone is strong.
Tao, tao!
Ay, subo.
Now is here. Right by Jerry.
Hoy! Extend off!
Cool, akin na cool. Ay, ay, ay.
Is here. Mateo. In and out.
Okay, okay pa.
It's LPU ball. 8 minutes and 46 seconds. It's 12-point lead on San Beda. 66 to 54. Ignacio.
Push.
Chantenko. Mateo. Isia. Foul.
Tinitigil mo!
Foul on Ignacio. First LPU. Third personal foul on Ignacio.
Baba, sa baba!
I want into the burger.
May Angels ba dito? Angels Burger?
Yes,
Saan? Sa taas yun?
Hindi bilang ng burger.
Angels sa Pilas? Buy one take one din?
10.
10 dirham?
Now Estrada.
Shooter, shooter.
Jerry. Ay Estrada foul. Foul on number 28 on Kaligunan. First on San Beda. Second personal foul on Kaligunan. $55 to 67.
Kaya wala! Ayan!
56 to 67. 111-point lead now on San Beda.
Goal. Foul.
Oh, McRae!
Baba na, baba! Okay, baba mo, baba mo, baba mo, baba mo!
Tawid lang. Ayan, cool.
Wow! Basket count and one on Isia. Paolo St. Joseph. Time out on El. 72 to 56. 7 minutes.
Baksag cool. Baksag cool. Set. Tuloy nyo lang.
Tapit, tapit!
Short. Whoa! What a service play! Coming from San Beda. It's 74 to 56. Now St. Joseph.
Wala, kuwas!
Foul. Foul number 24 on Pagurayan. Fourth personal foul on the veteran, Pagurayan. Second team foul, LPU.
Wamat!
O yan, kuha.
Now Mateo.
Pick!
Then to shoot.
Ah!
Bang! Bang, bang! Bang on Mateo.
Ay na pool! Sabay!
Jamloy.
Sabay!
Estrada. Bagurayan. 14 to shoot.
Sabay pool! Grabe naman yun! Pool! Sabay pool!
Foul.
Nga, 5 minutes na lang, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Pag-good. Huwag yung mga pag-good.
Second team foul on San Beda. Substitution pa, basket shot, Brett.
Gamay. Mamaya na. Release na.
Basket shot tayo lang, basket shot.
Isa lang timeout nyo ha, isa lang timeout.
Sub-rep. Time out on San Beda. Both teams have one timeout left. It's 5 minutes and 37 seconds, fourth and last quarter. Quarter final match, do or die game. It's here.
Layo!
40 to shoot.
Layo! Ay na pool! Nice pool!
Whoa! It's here. Chantenko.
Push! Yun! Apat!
Mateo.
Ano ba dyan? Masaya.
Yes!
Yellow yun.
Oras to! Oras!
Ano na lang tayo sa... Dito pa nagamit.
Set lock.
Bang! On Mateo.
Lang, simbang pa. Bawas ka na dyan.
Warning on San Beda for delay game.
Gahan na lang. Noy.
40 to shoot. Ramos short. Rebound on Jamloy. 3 minutes. Estrada foul. Foul on number 28 on Kaligunan. Third team foul on San Beda. Third personal foul on number 28 on Kaligunan.
Ganyan!
2 minutes and 58 seconds. Medina.
Laruin. Nice, Kakol.
2 minutes and 40. Foul. Foul on number 26 on Ramos. Warning for penalty on San Beda.
Ayun na. Ito,
2 minutes and 27 seconds.
2 minutes!
Now Medina. St. Joseph. Estrada.
Wala talaga.
Last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by Chooks to Go, Angel's Burger, and Magdumas Sarsa. 1 minute and 47 seconds. 86 to 66. Sabi to sa rest stop.
Substitute yan.
Lubay in, Lubay.
Game, ba, ilin. Ayan po yan.
This is our quarter-final match, quarter-final game. Do or die game, St. Joseph. Short. Kinson. St. Joseph.
3 points, oh.
Bang! Bang, bang! Oh, St. Joseph. One minute 18. McRae. 1 minute 14 to shoot. 10. 55 seconds, 55.
Wala na.
Foul. Ala number 26 on Ramos, penalty. Forty-three seconds.
Sabihin mo, relax lang. Gulo ka eh. Huwag na nga tatuwaan next time. Huwag na turuan ng rules to.
$67-86. Steal again by the veteran Pagurayan. 32 seconds, 32.
Uy, sa atin! Pinatilis na, Mandi!
San Beda ball, San Beda.
Nahilo eh. Nahilo.
25 seconds.
Equal.
20.
Tira.
And the winner advanced to the quarter semifinal game. San Beda, it's 86.